Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Bisola. Thank you so much for clicking. Today we are heading to Jamaican, so we are going to be making Jamaican curry goat meat in African village. We are currently in Nigeria, Ondo State. We are going to be making Jamaican curry goat meat, so stay tuned and let me show you the process of how we achieve this Jamaican recipe. We are going to Jamaica. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready as well. So stay tuned and keep watching. So this, we have the coal pot and the charcoal. I'm trying to make some fire. So the charcoal. So we have all our ingredients here. We have meat, we have some carrots, we have some spring onion, which is scallion, and we have some coconut milk, and we have curry powder, all-purpose seasoning. Everything is here, and we have some potato, we have thyme. So let's start cooking. Pray. So I'm trying to seasoning everything. Then it's combined. Greens here have my scallion and onions, but there is no thyme, so I'm going to be using this type of thyme to blend it, then pour it into our meat. So I'm trying to wash this. So it's clean. So I'm trying to wash this to avoid any form of stone. Oh yeah. You can see our green is ready. This is our green. I'm supposed to add groundnut oil and curry powder and fried a bit, but my grandpa doesn't take groundnut oil, so I'll be skipping it and add the meat straight into the pot. So this is what we got after some few minutes. So we are trying to wash this. So I want to go rinse this up. Ah ah.
I saw you come and think that.
Hello.
What's lo?
Okay, good.
Eh, ekwele wada tó kò mọ̀ tani lọ́wọ́. Nǹkan náà ti lò. Àwọn náà tani lọ́wọ́. Ẹ̀mí tani lọ́wọ́ kò ní ìlà. Tó ń là.
This is our Jamaican curry goat's meat. This is how it's looking, but I think it's a bit dry. Maybe I should have poured enough water. In case of next time, I'm going to be adding more water. This is my first trial. How did I do? Please rate me in the comment section. So welcome to Jamaica. So let's give the meat a try. This tastes so good. Wow. It tastes good. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Always stay blessed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.